Day in the life, baby. We're going to meet Erin Morrison, one of our agents. She found an opportunity off market that might be a really good deal. So we're gonna go check it out, meet Erin, and get after it. Whoa.
We're here.
We made it. We made it, Quail Park.
I'm gonna go grab masks. Do you guys have masks?
I got one.
Yes. I think so.
Sorry, I can't give you a hug.
Okay.
We're at a house with Erin on our team. She brought us here and might be an opportunity, right? To buy, or maybe she'll list it, I guess.
Well, it's already being listed by a friend of mine. She's a new agent here in Austin. So the story is that they know that they have some foundation work that needs to be done, and they don't have the means to take care of it beforehand. So, you know, of course, that limits your buyers and your loan programs and stuff like that.
Sure.
So the agent friend of mine said that she would let us see it first before she markets it, and we can see what we can do. It's got a 600 square foot addition that's not permitted.
Okay.
So if you look at comps of homes that are similar in square footage without the addition, it's like 150 more than what they're asking. So as far as renovated.
That's where the value is here?
So if there's a way that we can figure that out, then that's additional square footage that we can, but I have to tell you, I'm not sure if this neighborhood would support really much higher than a 500 or a 525.
Right. So walk us through real quick, like what's your opinion on what it's worth? Right.
Well, I haven't seen the house, right? So I looked at the previous listing, and they did have some foundation work previously done on it. So I'm wondering if we could hit them up for any kind of warranty. Right? But as you know, basically what she told me was that they've done a little bit of updating in the kitchen. And I mean, they've only had it a couple of years, so we can see.
Sure.
So are you looking to buy it and then flip it?
Well, we'll see, right?
Cool.
So either flip it, or if it's not something good for us, maybe wholesale it, maybe do something else. Think of different avenues. This is such a hot market here with Quail Creek.
Hot right now.
So hot right now.
The domain so close by that I mean, investors are hopping on these like flies on rice. So
yeah, nice. Right.
Is that the right term? Flies on rice? I think it's the other way
white
around.
on rice.
Yeah.
Flies on.
Yeah, you get what I mean.
If she doesn't want me to film,
okay, I'll ask her.
She can get out. I'm just kidding.
Hi. Sorry.
Hi.
I have a whole crew. Yes.
Hi.
I'm Erin.
I don't have a cough, but I do have diarrhea, so.
Wow, I love them.
Yeah, and actually, the reason we bought this house was for the back room.
Yeah.
All the way.
I'm Alex.
Hi.
Matt.
I'm Andrew.
Nice to meet you all.
Congratulations on the.
Oh, thank you. That's hilarious.
Yeah.
This is
Like
nice.
little cheerleaders.
Super nice.
And it shows that there was some foundation work done then.
Yeah, so when we first moved in, the previous owners had done some foundation work in the center. Is probably why it's different tile. And then when we moved in that side, it was about $3,000 where the laundry room is. Had some foundation, and then they kind of told us because the way this was built, it's kind of pulling the house a little bit. So they said eventually that side's gonna need it. And I actually had a structural engineer come through about a year ago, so I have his report.
Okay. It has AC coming in here. Could you count this as additional square footage?
I think so did they actually add this on?
No, I think it was
This
on
is
before
already
them.
here?
And it was previously listed, the square footage was at the height with this.
Right.
But I was always told.
Yeah, people, you can really technically put whatever you want on the MLS. And it's just, you gotta try and have it validated, right?
Yeah.
Have someone over here come measure it out. You know how old the roof and AC is by chance?
So we replaced the AC and all the ductwork it'll be 5 years ago this fall.
Okay.
So a year into living here, we had to do all that.
Got it. You mind if we just look around?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, man. So, got a bunch of different levels. Kind of interesting. That addition's nice back there. Newer AC, I always like that. Newer AC, newer ducts. Whoa. All right, don't tell her.
Come on, man. What are you doing, dude?
I don't know if that's on me. I always like to check this out.
So it doesn't need. It's not distressed. It needs some updates, but this
Take
is
the carpet out.
yeah. This is much better than I.
Baseboards.
I'm thinking Airbnb. You know?
Yeah, until COVID round 3 hits.
So this would be the master bedroom.
It's a small bathroom.
Oh yeah, you could easily flip this area. Carpet in here. Maybe enclose this wall or something.
Yeah, I don't really love that. So
No, you probably want to knock this out and extend the bathroom. The other bathroom is really small as well. So they were saying that the this side of the house would need some foundation work.
yeah,
Yeah, you can tell.
interesting. Every time I see a guitar, I want to pick it up and jam out.
Slap at the bass.
Big time. Slap the bass, big time. Slap at the bass. Slap at the bass, big time.
That's better.
They just keep getting bigger.
That is cool. Skylight. Matt, you used to have one of these in your house. You know that?
I wonder where the water heater is. I love seeing opportunities before they hit the market.
Ugh, gross. A spider just crawled up my freaking leg.
My present to myself after the first kid, I was like, I need.
I do like these cabinets.
Yeah, Home Depot did it. Yeah. So yeah, I think the main thing with this house is just that foundation. This window, if it rains a lot, it leaks. My husband's dad is in construction, so he's been on our roof a billion times.
Oh, great. Oh, yeah.
And so what he said is it's likely from the foundation shifting that there's, something coming in like through which once we fix the foundation that probably will resolve.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Always good to look at stuff like that.
Yeah. So what do you? Well, we can get further away from the house if you want to.
Yeah. I think it'd be a good Airbnb play in the future.
Oh.
Because, when you're buying something like that, I don't know, off the top of my head, it would lease for like $2,000, $2,200, So it wouldn't be a great long-term rental if you're paying $300s, $350.
Mm-hmm.
And then, always keep the option for a wholesale, for a flip.
What's a conservative ARV on that?
Conservative?
Yeah.
Conservative would be 450.
Really?
Yeah.
And what?
So Julia told me that their bottom line is 350. I don't know if that's like their net that they're looking for, or if that is like the offer, right? Because if they put it on the market, they've got other realtor fees and stuff to take care of. So I need to clarify with that, which I think is totally something to work with. I was telling Matt, like in that front area where it has the huge dining room space, you could split that in half and create a fourth bedroom, and get it and still have a dedicated dining
Yeah, that is
area.
really big.
And then knock out that wall between the dedicated dining and the living room area. That would open that up a lot. that addition is really cool.
You can do a lot with those bathrooms too. They're pretty small.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Well, what do you think as far as like a reno budget on that?
To blow out the wall and add a room
And just kind of bring it up. I personally don't like the tile in the house. I don't think you're gonna get even the conservative if you had the tile in there.
Spanish tile.
Everybody wants LVP, so
you could easily spend 60 grand
on that.
making it nice.
Mhm.
And redoing the bathrooms and the kitchens and adding that room and blowing out that wall.
Mhm.
That's what I would think it would take to make it really nice.
Okay, and
Like
that's
60.
including any foundation work too.
Did she have a number on that or?
So no, but I got the report and we can send it to get some bids.
Yeah.
That's why I took
I
pictures
mean
of it.
I don't know. The foundation's like not that concerning to me. Like.
Well, I mean, it's all over Austin. You're gonna have.
I
tons of
know, but like
foundation.
it doesn't feel like if she didn't say anything, I wouldn't have even thought of it.
Yeah. The problem is
but it's
reselling it.
Because you know about it, she has these reports, so you have to.
You have to disclose it, and it's going to be found in any inspection, and it's going to scare off buyers. So.
Yeah, I think it'd be $60K before knowing what that would cost.
Okay.
Yeah. I like to assume that it's $350 price, and there's a realtor fee in there and everything for us. 'Cause that's super helpful if you get $9 grand realtor fee.
Yeah. I mean, we can
Let's
always,
just wait and let's do the foundation. I'll run some comps. We'll talk later today.
Okay.
And let's just go at it if we do want it at an offer with $350
Okay.
with closing costs and see what they say.
Okay.
I don't want to ask them and then they're like,
You're right.
yeah, they're gonna
Yeah.
default at that.
Yeah. Who's your foundation people that you go to?
Level 1.
Level 1. Okay.
I'll tell them to come out here.
Well, we can just send a bid. We can just send this report. He should be able to give an estimate off of that.
That's true. Can you just
Yeah.
email that?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys, thanks for following us along. We'll see you in the next clip. We're gonna go get after it today.
Hey everybody, it's a new day. Today we got a few things going on. Matt's down south making cold calls to commercial property owners. I'm going to meet up with one of our agents. We're looking at a few properties that we may flip. Also, our tree construction director, Sam Haynes, is going to meet us there. We got an entire department of tree focused on remodeling and rehabbing properties, and he's possibly going to be helping us on this one with this flip. We're going to utilize them. We just need to know if these numbers are going to work or not. So we got a few things going on. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Make sure you follow us next week. We got some big things going on. Like the video, comment below, share it with some friends that may enjoy this. Also, make sure you subscribe. That way you don't have to go back and check and watch our premieres. You'll just automatically get notified when our new videos come out. We're trying to produce content like this for you guys every day. Let us know how we can be better. Let us know how we can help. And we'll see you guys next Friday.